Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the HTTP and the fetch API. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my videos. So let's get started. So exuse part we will do later on, but we are using the fetch in the Vue component. Okay, so basically we are calling the API, right? Let's have a look on that one. So this is the full-fledged code. Let's go and just add it over here. Okay, JSON placeholder fake REST API we are using, and whatever the data will come over here. Let's look. You can see the data is rendering over here, right? So let's see how it is rendered. So we have called the fetch API, right? So post UL, this is V. We are using the loop for the posts, okay, and ID and the post dot title. Okay, so here by default in the data return empty array created, so call the fetch post. So this is basically the component lifecycle. So I already described what exactly the created. So this dot fetch post, so whenever the component there is a load of that page, so it will call this API fetch posts, right? So it will go over here and it will call this API and render the data, this dot post data, and if something goes wrong it will go to the catch block. After this one this method will call and render this component over here. Okay, so if I go over here and the created one, let me go and check this. So here you can see created called synchronously after the instance is created. Okay, so when it will call, when the instance is created, the instance has been initialized, the data has been observed, and the events and the watchers are set up. That's the reason I'm using this lifecycle hook that is created over here. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.